I am Carlos Rodriguez, Research and Development Engineer at Opti Manufacturing. Here in the Caribbean, we have been offering contract manufacturing services focused on cable assembly for the aerospace industry for over 30 years. Every assembly that leaves our hands is designed to meet the standards that the industry requires. We are certified in AS 9100, ISO 9001, IPC, and we also have Hobson certification. We work with clients who value precision and quality. I invite you to discover how our experience can transform your specifications into precise solutions. Let's talk about your next project by visiting our website, optimanufacturing.com.